Sharing the road with motorcycles. Hey driver, want to know how to share the road with motorcycles? Here's what you need to remember. 1. Watch out for blind spots. Motorcycles are thin and can hide in spots you might not see. Check twice before changing lanes. 2. Keep an eye out. Sometimes motorcycles can be hard to notice. They're not as wide as cars. 3. Remember the throttle. When motorcycles slow down, they might not use brakes, so no brake lights to spot. 4. Give space. Treat motorcycles like cars and keep 3 to 4 seconds of space when following them. 5. Be patient. Just like cars, motorcycles face road challenges. So if you see a biker doing something unusual, they might be handling a tricky road situation. 6. Be polite. Road conditions affect motorcycles in their own way. Show some kindness. 7. Estimate carefully. It can be tough to figure out how far a motorcycle is and how fast it's going because of its smaller size. 8. Stay safe. Motorcycles might seem far away but could be closer than they look. Knowing more about them keeps everyone safe.